Hello kids, welcome back. Today we are going to draw the shapes. So let's get ready. First of all we will draw the heart. The heart shape. Then the circle. Triangle. The square. The star. Pentagon. Now we will color orange, pink, green, blue, yellow and the red. We will color this. Okay, let's get ready. Red color in the heart. My kids, the red color for the heart shape. Done. Now pink for the circle. I have high speed for the coloring. Sorry. Green color for the triangle. Now the orange color for the square. Yellow color for the star. My kids, which color do you love most? Blue color for the pentagon. We are done for the today, but I want to teach you the color next. Are you ready? Ready? This is the red color. I have a red color. We used red color for the heart. We used pink color for the circle. We used green color for the triangle. We used orange color for the square. We used yellow color for the star, and the last but not the least, we used blue color for the pentagon. Heart, circle, triangle, square, star, pentagon. Keep support. We will meet in the next video. Bye.